स्टोरी अबाउट आमगेले भुरगे टॉयलेट क्लीन करताय तेजेर तो पाठ जालो. That is maybe 0.1% of the Goans. Today I am coming to you with almost 99% of the Goans who are doing well all over the world. Whether it is financially, intellectually, physically or family wise. This is my father. He was a toilet cleaner on the ship. But we have not been made toilet cleaners. Continue kelna तुझ भाषेत. तुझ पॉलिटिक्स गेला, पॉलिटिक्स हायला, जेला पोट बोला आणि उलटे इतुनसिया एनेस्थेसियातून चेड्याक दिल्या. तेणे आमकां शिकयले बरे भाशेन, बरे आमकां संस्कार शिकयले गोंयचे. तुजे असल्या सर म्हणपाक आमी पत्त्या देऊन सर म्हणून शिकले. दॅट इज द कल्चर ऑफ इंडिया. ओ मुगे पाय तो कसो आसलो बोटीचेर. He was cleaning the toilets and we have no problems. Why are you having problems, man? आमगे पुरी टॉयलेट क्लीन करताय. तू खूंय जोडा, तू खूंय हरपता. कित्या हरपत तुका? तुगे काय टॉयलेट साफ करूं येयल्ले? सो टॉयलेट साफ करता म्हूण तेजेर तुका आतां हांव गोंयकार हेर व्हड व्हड जाग्यांचे खूंय आहात ते शिकयत तुका. It may take for me ages to even tell you the names of the Goans who have made themselves big enough in this world. First, directly I will tell you with respect to yourself. तू मुळे एक CM जातलो गोंयांतूं रावन. Can you imagine a Goan who has been ruled by the Portuguese? He goes to Portugal and he himself becomes the Prime Minister of Portugal. And that man is the son of Goa. He is from Margao. Costa, Don Costa. Then you cannot even enter Valley and contest that election. I will assure and guarantee you, you will even lose your deposits. Forget about going out of Goa and contesting. Now I come to you, the people who have made great achievements in the field of religious works. Angelo Cardinal Valerian Gracious from Bombay. Joseph Cordero was a bishop in Pakistan. Our own very Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao. And there are so many other bishops who have been in different places like Bhopal, Delhi, Calcutta, Nagpur, Agra, etc. In the field of science, pioneering of food irradiation program, Dr. Norman Luis Afonso. Next was the Goan who discovered protozoan, parasites, microbes and viruses, many of whose discoveries have been named after him, like De Mello, named after Floriano De Mello, who fought to eradicate TB, malaria and leprosy in India. It was great men like Dattavi Naik, known as Kumar, who is the ex-student of St. Xavier's Mapsa, who said that if given an opportunity to a Goan, we can even receive certificates of recognition from far-off countries like US, and even some certificates have been awarded by the National Aeronautical and Space Administration of America. Remember the Bunsen burner that we have been using in the laboratories? You will be shocked to know that this Bunsen burner was the baby product of a Goan scientist. His name was Vincent Lorenzo. There is a bust of this gentleman of a Goan origin in Lisbon. Bunsen was the name of his teacher, and he sacrificed for his teacher. That is the culture of our children in Goa. If you are not worthy to go to Lisbon, I can show you the bust of Vincent Lorenzo even in Margam Garden, and see the intellectuals of those days has respected the intelligence of Goans, and they have credited for him. Whereas you, who is unlike those intellectuals whom I used to think that you are an intellectual, I am sadly mistaken, because you only know to criticize without knowing the goodness of the majority of the Goans. You have taken a minuscule part of the Goans, maybe who are cleaning the toilets, but that's definitely better than robbing the nation and the state and the other poor people. Look at yourself. What have you made of Saptari? What have you made of Alpoi? Oh my God, there's nothing that you have left now. They have been given a euthanasia debt. Anesthesia man dole tu indan soglang anesthesia. This sogi coma hai dinga. And he anesthesia medicine to anda tuke chada ka dila. Ulte soglang kabar kurpache. You have just made them handicapped, paralyzed ko nudele dinga. There's not much achievement there. Goa Super Cup. I can tell you, Julio Ribeiro was also the ambassador of Romania. This is the man who stopped Punjab from disintegrating from the main mother India. Then we have the Chief Security Liaison Officer to India, Mr. John Lobo, who was the director of the CBI and was the pioneer in using the dog squad from Bombay and all over India. Then we have the Captain Joseph Vincent Miranda from Lotoli, was the director of Corruption Bureau, Anti-Corruption Bureau, who had become the terror to the smugglers of India as well as abroad in some countries. And if the lives of John Lobo, Julio Ribeiro and Cajetan were present today, I'll tell you, Mr. Rania, by now you would have been sentenced to at least 1,000 years of prison by them, along with your son, Viswajit Rane. There are a lot of other illegal activities which you all have been accused of. I don't want to name them because time and again a lot of people have already named. In the military, I can tell you the names like of Air Marshal Terence Joseph de Souza Dessa of Sangolda, Major General Antonio Caetano da Silva, Major General Eustosio de Souza, Lieutenant General F.T. Dias of Welsau, Lieutenant General S.L. Menezes of Sangolda, Lieutenant General Eric Alexander of Saligao, General Sunit Rodriguez, who rose to the highest post in the Indian Army from Kurtosh.